Are you feeling tired, stressed, or having hair fall issue? You might need B complex vitamins. B complex is a group of 8 essential B vitamins, B1 to B12, that keep your body energized and your mind and brain sharp. B1 is known as thiamine, is helpful boost your energy. B2 is riboflavin that support metabolism. B3 is known as niacin, is also responsible for your good skin and digestion also. B5 and B6 help to reduce stress. B7 is biotin, it promotes hair fall and the nail growth. B9 is folic acid that play a vital role during the pregnancy and lactation also. B12 prevent fatigue and the support nervous system. Deficiency can cause us tiredness, brain fog, low immunity and weak hair. Take B complex through food or supplement, boost your health and stay B positive. Thank you.